wanting something that you can't have. We want the toy until we have it, and once we have it, it's worthless to us. How hard is it to keep that worth? I won't fault a person for their nature. I won't fault myself for my nature. I want the future until the future is the present. And in my present, I'm continually looking to the future. Why? It's only my nature. Just live, man. Just live. And that's all you will do. This life is simply natural and it's gonna run its course. And you can struggle, you can fight, scratch, and scream all you like, and this life is still gonna run its course. Nature is still gonna run its course. Is it sad? Is it happy? Life is simply natural. That's all it is. That's all it should be judged to be. Life is natural.
Perversive desire to reach the top. I yearn the perspective. How much more I'd appreciate. Life constantly changes. At the throes of life, it's only natural my perspective change along with it. A different perspective every passing moment. How can I cherish one more than another? All at the whim of nature, and all just as dynamic. Perspective and judgment. I'm disposed to believe that they correlate, and however dynamic, my disposition is only relative. I'm to finish with this.